this is how the box looks like. The model number is BENQ GW2480, which is a 24-inch IPS flicker-free LED display, and this one has HDMI connectivity, and this is Full HD 1080p monitor with built-in speakers. So yeah, let me just cut the box open now. So first thing we get in here is the pouch. Inside that we have the user manual or the quick start guide. The next thing we are getting here is the driver disc. And here we have the warranty card, and this monitor has 3 years warranty as far as I know. The next thing we get inside the box is the standard power cable. The quality is good enough. Next we have the HDMI cable, but it's simply of no use for me as of now because my motherboard only has a VGA port, so I have to use the old VGA cable which I was using for my previous monitor because this BENQ monitor does not come with a VGA cable. The next two things we have here is the monitor stand or the base. This is the middle part and this is the base part. We just need to screw this in with the middle part, so I'll do that later. Now let me take the stand aside for the time being and let's look at the monitor itself now. And here it is. And here is the beauty. Let me turn it over so that you guys can see the back side. In terms of I/O, we have the power port to the left. And to the right we have the display port with HDMI, VGA and some audio ports since this monitor has built-in speakers. So let me just assemble the stand now. You just need to insert the middle part of the base just like this, and once you feel the fit is alright, just tighten up this screw. Now you just need to insert the stand to the monitor and it will just clip in here. And it won't move, don't worry. This monitor has the standard wall mount holes too in case you wanna mount it on the wall. And here is how it looks like side by side with my previous 20-inch Samsung monitor. And this BENQ monitor has a auto brightness sensor right below the logo, so it can adjust the brightness automatically with your room lighting like a smartphone. So I am done with connecting the monitor with my PC, so let me just fire it up. And here is how it looks like. So now let me just play one of my videos. And I just love one thing, that how thin the bezels are over here, and it just looks dope. Just take a look. The stand fits good enough, and even if you like accidentally push it, the monitor movements are like quite less, as you can see. And you can just tilt the monitor up and down like this. And the physical buttons to control the colors of the monitor is to the bottom right. And the power button glows white while it's turned on, and it glows yellow when the monitor goes to sleep. And of course, let's play some MKBHD here. The colors over here are just great, and it's definitely way better than my previous monitor. And the viewing angles are great too over here. Let's have a look. As of course, it's IPS panel. I have the BENQ GW2480 IPS 24-inch 1080p monitor, and I like it. I like the colors and I like the look of it. I like the viewing angles, I like the small bezels. I love pretty much everything of this new monitor, and it's sleek and it doesn't like move much. My table is almost broken, but yeah, it doesn't move much. As you can see, even if you like touch, it moves a little bit, and you can tilt it if you want to. So yeah, and the colors are really better. But while it's like totally black, there are some little bit of light bleedings that I have noticed. Like there are like quite a lot light bleedings, but yeah, it's a IPS display, so there should be like a little bit of light bleeding, I guess. It's pretty much normal for this budget, and I couldn't get like a better deal like than this one. I got it for like 10,300 rupees from Amazon on offer. So that's a big thumbs up from me at least, because I couldn't get any like better IPS display which is 24-inch 1080p in the same time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say for this video. So let's see what happens in the future. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. Please do it. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye now.